Hi guys, let me show you how to download and add a font to Photopea. For this example, I'm using this font called Feeling font. I found it on Creative Fabrica. This is a free font. So click on the download button. This is the download button here. And in case you want to use this font, I will leave a link for it in the description. It's an affiliate link, so if you use it, I might get a commission at no extra cost to you. So now the font has been downloaded. Let me open the file. Just a second. Here it is. So depends on the site that you download the font from. It might be compressed. If it is compressed, just extract it. So you will get one of these two or both, an OTF file or a TTF file. Both of them will work, but if you have the option, always use the OTF file. Now let me show you how to add it to Photopea. Let me just open Photopea. Just a second. Let's go with a new project. This one, white background. Let me add the text. Feeling. The same text of the name of the font. Make it big. Okay, so here is my text. Now I want to add that font to it. Go to the fonts menu. Just give it a second. And click this one. Load font. And then locate the font in your downloads. Here it is. See, just clicked it. Now it's downloading automatically. Now open the menu again. Scroll down to the bottom. Here it is. Feeling. By the way, this Comica Boom and Farmhouse, these are also fonts I downloaded. So let me click on Feeling, and here it is. The font has been downloaded and used in Photopea. So that's how you use that's how you download and add a font in Photopea. Also, if you want, grab my guide for free photo editing advice from the link in the description also. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.